We had a billionaire at the Millionaires Kids Club this weekend. I'm Lepe, top 1% agent in all of San Diego County, and this is my week in real estate. It was an amazing weekend to start off. Last weekend, I worked all day Friday, got prepped for the Millionaires Kids Club on Saturday, which was really dope. We had about 200 kids and their parents in a room, and we're talking about money for 4 hours. Um, the highlight, I feel, we had a billionaire with a B, a Billy, show up and talk to the kids about having a vision and how in his life, as a kid, he grew up and he had this vision and he still has a vision and keeps accomplishing amazing things. That was really dope. Not to mention, we had a gold and silver and precious metal person come and talk to the kids about the history of money. And we taught a bunch of valuable lessons about money, finances. That was the highlight of my week. And of course, I was exhausted afterwards, worked some more after that as well. And then on Sunday, I just chilled, went to church, relaxed, really enjoyed my Sunday. Didn't do much. And then my week started. I got a haircut. I got a new barber. And you know how it goes with new barbers. It kind of mess you up sometimes. So my hair right now is not the norm. But let me show you. I'm just playing. I'm not going to show you. So anyways, I got a haircut. I had a meeting with my Logan High CDC, the community group. We do like a monthly meeting sometimes too, but volunteered this week. It was a long meeting. Those meetings, 2-hour meetings, they're no joke in the middle of the week after work. I went to Bible study, which was really cool. I think we all have to submit to something, right? Submit to rules, submit to God, submit to different laws in our life that we have to honor. And that weekly Bible study really helps me and just reminding me of that and grounding me. This week also, I met with another school and I committed to help them. So I'm going to be helping them financially on a monthly basis. And it's not easy in a time like this. What I mean by that, money isn't coming in right now like it normally does. The market, real estate market, is super slow right now. We're still helping people. We sold a house this week, but it's tough. With that being said, financial obligations, committing myself to stuff like that, it's not easy. I think that we all owe it to ourselves, our family, our community to take on financial obligations, even in the tough times, because at the end of the day, that's what we're supposed to do, and it does build character, makes us or forces us to work a little bit harder, serving our communities. And this weekend I'm going to work. It's Labor Day weekend. However, I'm working all day today, all day tomorrow, because Sunday I want to relax a little bit, and then Monday I really don't want to work much. So I'm just going to crush it this weekend. I'm going to take a little break Saturday. Tomorrow I'm going to take my nieces out for a nice lunch, and then Sunday I'm going to have a paella party dinner, and I'm going to a quinceañera Sunday night. So that's why today and tomorrow I have to work really hard. I hope that you guys have an amazing weekend. And as always, if you want to make money in real estate, give me a call. We'll talk. Peace.